Don't you like putting this inside your house? It's like a centerpiece.
I like to put you inside my house because wala ka centerpiece close.
Gaga.
Nan ko ano?
It's like a reflection of Quran.
Actually, ganun kasi mami yung ano.
Me too.
Bulse-bulse, bes mami.
Na ako yung own house, kung nani ang house. I mean, the maintenance itself lang, I wonder if dali ba ning mamatay?